Hey everyone, today we're going to do a quick ship overview of the Caribbean Princess right after this. Hi everyone, John here from Bite Size Cruises. Welcome back to our channel. We're just travel advisors. We try to give you the best information about cruising so you can plan and go on an amazing cruise adventure. If that sounds good. We'd love for you to subscribe and come along with us on this journey. Today we're going to be talking about the Caribbean Princess. We're actually going to be talking about it for the next week or so. So we do a video every day. We're going to build on those videos for the Caribbean Princess. Today we're going to do the overview. Tomorrow dining, then entertainment. We'll go through all the different options on the ship, and then we'll culminate everything with a 10 things you must do and a ship overview. And of course, we're going to do some vlogs. So AJ from our team was recently on a 10-day Panama Canal journey. So we're going to outline that and tell you what we think about the ship. So the Caribbean Princess was sailed out for its first voyage on April 3rd of 2004. Jill Whelan, who was Vicky on the Love Boat, is the christener or the godmother of the ship. The ship was recently refurbished in May of 2019. It did a full refurb in 2017 and then did a quick little refurb in May of 2019. It holds 3,140 passengers, 1,200 crew. The ship is 112,000 gross tons. It's 950 feet long by 190 feet wide. It has 19 decks. So that's pretty big for a ship that only holds 3,100 people. 19 decks is pretty large. So there's a lot of open public space here. There are 1,566 cabins, 25 suites, 178 mini suites, 669 balconies. So in that respect, it is certainly a more modern ship. 230 ocean view and 445 inside. There are 5 pools on the ship, and it was built in Fincantieri in Italy, which is a popular shipbuilding, one of the big shipbuilders in the world. So as we go through this over the next few days, we're going to outline for you all the places where you can eat, all the places where you can get a drink, all the different entertainment that's currently on the ship. And then we'll come back and we'll review each of those things. So at this point, if you have any questions about the Caribbean Princess, if you want to know anything important about it, feel free to comment below and we'll address those things in the next week or so. We do these videos every single day, so we will handle that. We're also going to go through what itineraries the ship is currently doing for the next 2 years or so. And we'll also go through all the different stateroom options. So again, if you have any questions about the Caribbean Princess, come with us and join us on the next week or so, and we're going to talk all about them. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.